I'm Jan Arnold, co-founder of CND, and we're here to show you a shellac French manicure and removal in minutes. In this segment, we'll show you how to use shellac for a traditional French manicure, as well as a fun two-color variation and removal. We start with a quick PEP. P, perform a dry manicure. Start with the pusher to find the cuticle, followed by the curette to remove it. For great adhesion, it's best to remove cuticle without any cuticle remover on most clients. However, if you feel you need to use cuticle remover, be sure to thoroughly cleanse it from the nail with soap and water. E, eliminate contaminants, and P, purify nail layers with Scrub Fresh. No shine removal necessary, and you're ready to apply shellac. Apply a very thin coat of shellac UV base coat over the surface and along the edge of the nail. Now cure for 10 seconds. While this is curing, apply shellac UV base coat to the other hand. Apply a thin layer of sheer pink shellac color over the surface and along the edge of the nail, and then cure for 2 minutes. Apply the sheer coat first, so if you need to detail the smile line later, you can without removing the base coat layer. While this is curing, apply the first coat to the other hand. Use shellac with cream puff to create a thin tip along the edge of the nail in 2 sweeping strokes, like this. Or you can use small downward strokes, then seal the edge of the nail. Be extra careful to go thin with the white because if it's too thick, it can wrinkle during curing. If you need to, detail the white smile line using a gel brush and a little 99% isopropyl alcohol, and then cure for 2 minutes. While this hand cures, apply the white shellac to the tip of the nails on the other hand. Now, seal each nail with an even layer of shellac UV top coat and cure for a final 2 minutes. And then the other hand. The final step is to wipe the surface thoroughly with 99% isopropyl alcohol to remove the top film and bring out the high shine luster of shellac. Apply a drop of solar oil around each nail to condition the cuticles. You can also combine any 2 colors for a two-toned modified French look. Here, we've applied the first color layer with Fedora. To make it opaque, add a second layer of Fedora and cure for 2 minutes. And then ice the edge of the nail with iced cappuccino to complete the look, and cure for 2 minutes. Seal with a thin coat of top coat. Cure, and you have a fabulous two-toned look. The application is complete in 30 minutes, and your client is good to go for at least 2 weeks. Make sure you charge at least 50% more than a basic manicure or pedicure for this service. When it's time for a re-shellac, the process is super simple with no damage to the natural nail. Allow 45 minutes for the re-shellac appointment. Let me show you how easy it is. The way to remember the procedure for wrapping and removal is with the acronym SIT. S is for saturate. Saturate the cotton pad on the wrap with pure acetone, which is actually 99% free of impurities, which makes removal super fast. I is for in place. Be sure the cotton pad is directly over the nail and in place for efficient removal. T is for tighten for 10. Go really tight and set the timer for 10 minutes. That's sit. Now, apply pressure on the wrap with your thumb and massage it to loosen the coating on the nail. Twist and pull the wrap from the nail. Slide off any remaining product with an orangewood stick and clean with pure acetone. Take a look at how healthy and perfect the client's nails are. They're ready for a fresh coat of shellac. It's easy, it's fast, and it's safe for your clients. Thanks for joining us for Shellac in Minutes.